Biryani. Nasuka lang yun.
Pero dagdagan mo na sa kapag kamahalan.
Wow, ang dami
Oo, kinilaw.
Ang daming Ang daming patatas.
Ay, pan. Yung mga kamag-anak ko po dyan.
Huwag kayong
Ay,
magkalala.
mga taga-Cebu, okay lang kami dito sa Koy.
Happy birthday.
Ang balita.
Ano? Happy birthday.
Ang ganda naman niya.
Dito, nandito kami sa birthday. At yung mga pagkain, no? Wow, biryani. Wow, adobo. Pansit. Ayos. Oh, yan, oh.
Feeling ko pangalan ko yung
Ito yung may... Salamat. Ito yung ano. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Okay lang, ha?
Thank you, Kuya, for coming.
Salamat din. Kaya na kayo at kain tayo.
Kain na, kain na.
Kain na.
Ayun, plain rice ka lang.
Kain muna tayo.
Yung plain rice saka brown rice.
Oh, sige ba? Oh, let's eat na. Oh, may adobo. Ha? Oh, kain ka na.
Oo.
Try mo kung maalat na dyan.
Anong kilaw yan?
Oo, fish.
Yan, biryani. Nasuka lang yun.
Pero dagdagan ko na sa kapag kamahalan.
Wow, ang
Oo,
dami
kinilaw.
Ang daming
Feeling ko parang may
Ay, sorry naman. Ang daming patatas. Oh.
Panagira dito.
Saya-saya namin video ko.
Tignan niyo po, saya namin po. Kuya, so may review.
Ito po yung mga iraragdag na Patreon ninyo, ha?
One more then. Sabi ko yung pinangako ang repatriate. And then, pero walang Yes, YouTuber is famous. Wala naman. Yeah. Yes, very famous.
Only pasta.
Hey, very famous man already. Doing this.
Again, also you. Every time, I don't have views, no?
Please follow and subscribe. Please follow and subscribe.
Share also, no? Only my pasta.
Hey, who made that surfing last time?
Alex.
The good
Alex,
thing
they
only-
really like the one that
I like
perfume
the smell.
you make, Alex.
That's a Dulce
Yes, the
Gabbana.
one
But
finishes.
only the thing is, it's not getting last, but the smell I really
Yeah,
like.
yes, the one finishes. It is very nice, but not stay until finish.
If you want to make it a little bit strong,
Okay.
Yeah, the essential oils will be more rather
pure,
than
pure sunog. Dulce Gabbana yun.
Hi, Pans. Mga kamag-anak ko po dyan.
Huwag kayong
Ay,
magkalala.
mga taga-Cebu, okay lang kami dito sa Kuwait. Parang nanawagan.
The other
Ano
day,
ba? Mga kamag-anak. May ano to eh, parang interview to interview.
actually, the first week, even my family, my parents, when I call my mother, father, how are you there? Why? I'm okay.
Everyone panic.
Because of the, you know, the
News.
The news. Kusal, what kind of fish? Sarap.
Fish, pili ko yan.
Yes,
Oh,
Lindol.
white fish. I make that one especially for you. All people want this kind of food, no?
Wow, sana all.
Oh, I'm not. I don't like that one, so I'm not yet. I didn't know. Sorry. That means I'm not yet.
If they don't like me, I forgot, no?
Yeah, ate calling Alex. Alex, where is Kuya? Kuya is go out. What go out? He said he will come.
How is the biryani I cook?
Huh? Really now? Really? Ano ko? Oh my goodness. I thought I only have one chef. There's two chefs pala in this house. I cook, huh? I'm just an assistant.
Wow.
Okay?
There's some partners also, no? Where
They're in Georgia.
Georgia,
They're
right?
stuck there.
Yeah.
I think Arlen also Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
And the digit now is what I said, as per the travel tourism.
That's what they're going to do.
For them, it's a
They will go to
package.
Saudi.
So once the package is finished, of course, they need to pay again the hotel and everything.
And it's
No.
expensive.
Yeah.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up.
What is the one? Popsicle?
Yeah, the
This
waffle, waffle.
No, the
the
popsicle.
popsicle, yung ano, yung mga
Just,
ice drop.
Ice candy.
Ice baro, ice baro. Ano yun? Yung mga popsicle.
Cotton candy?
Scramble. Scramble.
No.
That one,
We will call that one ice baro, something
For
like
us, ice drop eh.
Ice
The,
drop.
inside the bag,
the
there
one
is
who
one ice
sold
drop.
also this one.
there is
in the
in the styrofoam.
Something
Styrofoam.
if there's a kids, they will not go around. In the case is,
Just stay with you.
Crying, no?
Crying, no, ayun.
Yung the mother.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind?
Another topic. Pag
Yeah.
iinitin mo pa ako, di ko pwedeng i-broadcast yan.
Oo nga. Kasi naman kuya eh. Nakatrabaho tayo.
Edit, edit
So
na
let's
naman.
go back to the
Back to the bomb.
Edit na lang yan, edit to. Sino mo itan?
So I have a question.
See, again, kuya, who is G? Magiging ano tayo dito.
Next.
Yes, no?
Birthday mo ba talaga? Or
Advance, happy birthday.
Kasi
20.
holiday na yun, kuya.
Yung ano.
I will put
Kuya, 360 ba yan?
Ano ba ba?
I don't have money to buy 360.
Isang
360 is all. It's a mall.
Kaya,
We cannot buy that one.
No need 360. Wait, I will get some revenue.
tayo nga, revenue.
Okay, oh. Dance number by Michelle.
Actually, I go home.
Number.
I challenge my
Oy, luma na yun.
Magkano tayo, Tony?
Ano na ngayon yung
Tony,
ano?
takto lang.
Hawak mo.
If not Ramadan is nice outside, no?
Ganun siya.
Saka yung ano yung kayo lumili-ribili mo.
Wawawi.
Wawawi ba yun?
Papasukin.
Buksan mo. Papasukin ako.
Nice one.
Sa totoo lang, pag makapalang mukha nyo,
Kuya, did you earn this already?
Social Magi, I will tell you
For that,
the story na.
you need one.
Before, I enter with the social media. Actually, I got the first 70,000 views. On that time, I have
Oh, he put in himself, no?
a video that I'm editing. When I go is that I publish around 7 p.m. 8 p.m. when I go home, or before 9, I go in the bus. And when I wake up in the morning, I don't expect, no, I just my pastime. When I see, I think 25,000 views.
Kuya, in YouTube?
Okay.
Because of
Yeah. But no, this is the first time that I told. But my mistake before, I don't know if you will use songs not allowed.
Yeah.
Will be
It should be
copyright.
original.
Because for me, this is nothing. No?
Because
Then that one,
copyright.
I discovered, I deleted it. But later on, I discovered that even you have a copyright, there's a way. You will change songs that will be from YouTube. Everything is there. And if you have makabalang mukha, what they're gonna do? Take face. Social media have mine. Yeah, social media have mine. Believe.
Even we have this one, no, fake face, we don't know how to do these things, no?
No one who start. They are.
No, in Kerala, so many people are doing this.
Si
YouTube.
Boy
So,
Tapang.
They are making
we're
their
doing
own.
so many
Kabayan.
things, but
Oh
we
Si
my
Boy
God.
Tapang, your kabayan.
They are getting so rich.
What
Yeah,
is it,
most
my
of
sister?
my kabayans na there.
What is it, my sister? Long time I'm watching this one. Take vlog first the opportunity. If you have the opportunity, like Boy Tapang, we are already advised to sister take the opportunity for vlogging. Really, you know, because Boy Tapang is already wide audience, right? And sisters, of course, Dragon. Sino? Before Boy Tapang, in the first, you can see sa first video before, what they call this, he start only eating exotic food.
Oh, I don't know.
See now?
Yes, all.
It's your kabayan.
I hear him. I hear this Boy Tapang, and there is also a lady link with him. That's the time I
No,
started.
that's social media, no? Not all social media is,
Oh, so it's maybe it's not
which
true.
one?
Maybe it's just
No, that's true.
the one with
See,
the link
see,
with
sir,
the
oh.
lady.
See the Cobra King also, but
See
it's
the-
unfortunately he died because of this only Cobra also.
See,
There is also a guy, let the ants bite him, no?
because they want to get
Views.
views.
Yeah, even those who are newly starting now, they are already. It's like they are already asking for too much. Like, if you
And
can
then-
just please share this one.
Yeah.
You can
please,
also
and then
like
they are-
commenting, right?
Also,
Another
they are
video.
telling, I will pay for this, I will send you this one, just follow and share. Follow and you will receive this amount, something like that.
Yeah, like this one.
How about kuya, if you comment to that video, you can still earn on that.
Yes, right.
Like you are commenting
Now
on
the
that video.
earning is after the
Views, I
advertising.
yeah,
The
it's
one
a-
creators, only the
Advertising.
creators.
No, if how many advertisement you are
Um,
gaining from it. Same in
You will
like
get
like
Oh,
in
so
the
if the
basketball.
video is long, it means,
No, no.
ah,
No,
No,
for
the video is
example,
long, but
the
there
video
are,
is already
100, 100
the video is already uploaded, right? Then, if you will see, sometimes suddenly there is an ad going
Yeah, insert.
insert.
Yeah.
So
Suddenly
that is
cut,
that is when you're going to have how many in your all the videos that you're doing.
But it's hard also no, see, imagine. You need 1,000 subscribers. That's 4,000 watch hours. Imagine how you will get the total.
who will watch for the, now people scroll, watch for maybe 5 seconds, scroll again.
Yeah.
It's like that,
That's
everyone is
4,000.
doing like this.
Within 1 year. That's why. Actually, this one, when I got monetized, still I didn't care. No? Then suddenly, December, I guess, with copyright because really, it's my first time only. I didn't do it seriously. I got the email, you're demonetized
Oh.
last December.
Why?
Then after
It
that,
will monetize and it
I'm
will do
demonetized
also
because
demonetize.
I'm not following what will be
The rules. There
the
should
rules.
be there are rules.
So when I demonetize, I feel why is my mistake? I'm already there and I'm wait 3 months. Then I claim. Then suddenly I got it. So as of now, I take it because what I said, I can use later on in the future. Diba?
Did you just keep it then?
And I have one more starting. I want to monetize because I want to use that for OFWs. Like I want to in Philippines, right? I want to go with the OFW, what their success, what their. That's one my planning also. That's why I'm trying to gain one.
Last, I remember also you said, Crystal, I want to talk with you about the success, about this, about the OFW. Okay, Kuya, when you have the level, come go ahead. But only now today, only come.
Oh, no, no.
Now na.
Really, see, imagine if you go to the social media, see, this is Boy Tapang I said because during the pandemic, what's this one? It's he got views because on that time pandemic all people is social media, right? Sir, kabayan mo si sister now is winning. See their house, sports car.
Yeah.
If you're a normal person,
Oh,
go
yeah.
with
Kung
what
TV, right? Kung TV, kuya, right?
Kung
How
TV,
they are
yeah.
very rich now.
How you will achieve this for that?
Iba na alam.
How many years we are working, no?
Really no. That's why there is don't make a serious, make it pastime only. And don't
Just like
mm,
together with your lifestyle.
lifestyle.
A day in my life. As
Ah.
an OFW ito.
Trusting you and you willing to quit accident then.
That's life.
That is the
Maybe one day.
everyone of us naman have passion.
Maybe one day.
Ate Oria and Ate Billy,
Mhm.
their passion is to do this survey.
Survey, yeah.
They are making money also for that.
No?
Because before I remember, you cannot get your only the
No, if it
guys.
is, yeah.
Only the guys are the one if you have a husband.
Before.
Yeah, because my mom before, she was not able to get my brother. here.
There's a salary bracket also.
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
a salary.
Okay, happy birthday. I will close.
Happy
Happy Salamat ha. Ipopost ko to ha.
Basta na yan, kuya. Basta na yan.
Ano yan?
Salamat sa
Paano siya
birthday mo.
ina-edit, kuya?
Yes, ma'am.
Kuya, ang galing-galing niyo po.
So, okay. Bro. Okay, thank you.
Before I
Happy birthday.
remember Kuya when we are doing some